So, we just received these two sets of bees from Georgia. And there is two hives in here. This is one hive. And then this is the second hive. It's going to be quite interesting because I really don't know what to do with them. They did say expect some of them to die in transport, but they look pretty active to me. So, we're gonna do some Googling. Although this pile over here looks kind of toasted. This looks good over here. Looks like the bees actually moved all the dead ones to one side. That is pretty interesting. Oh, they did it over here too. Huh, they sure did. This is their cemetery. This is their pet cemetery on this side. I wonder where the queen is. I wonder if it's in a like container or something. Alright, I guess it's time to do a little bit of Google research before I stick these in my beehive, but we're back in business. Alright, what's up, what's up? So it's April 14th, and it's about 7:30 or something. It's kind of in the evening. A little bit windy, but not too bad. I've got two sets of newbies here. There's one, and there's two. And I got two deeps. I got one, and I got two. And this is for when they get when they grow up a little bit. So I'm gonna try to plant this thing somewheres, and I need to get them inside the hives. All right, I got my four. I got my 4 slots out here, and I got 4 slots out here, and we're gonna work on this. All right, I got them separated, so one goes here and one goes here. Our objective is we're gonna pop this off. We're gonna make sure this right here is the queen. It doesn't fall in there. We're gonna get this little thing, the sugar food out of there, and we're gonna try to do all this so we don't piss them off. All right, I give them a good whack, and I'm giving them a spray bottle full of sugar water, which calms them down. All right, so I don't know no one helping me here, but I ended up getting that off, and I got the sugar out, and only one bee got out, so we're good. I gotta get the queen out next, so I'll do that in a second here. All right, this is their food. There was a lot in there, so I popped a hole in it, and I put some streams of it on the top right here, so they got some food. And I'm gonna add some patties to right here when I get them in there. All right, this is actually working pretty well. So there's the queen little thing, and they actually marked it. There's a white mark on her, and there's some little bees with her that just helps her, keeps her company. And let's see if I can, she's in there. Oh, there's a little white mark on her head. That's gonna make it easier to find. So there it is, boom, love it. All right, so I put the queen sideways in there, so that I'm gonna leave it in there for 2 days, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna pull her out. So it's pretty stuck there right now with some sugar stuff, and it looks like it's gonna stay. So hopefully it does. If it falls, it just might fall straight down. It's still gonna be sideways. But maybe I'll try to get this something and just help it a little bit. Hang on. Okay, it's in there now. It ain't gonna fall down now. It'll be there, and we'll be good. All right, now is when we piss them off. I think we'll be good. Take them right here. Oh, I need one more. That's too many. That is too many. Oh man, this is not big enough. All right. I'm gonna be pissed. All right, that did pretty well actually. I got a honeycomb going in the bottom of the thing. All right, so that's the first one. They're in there. I'm just gonna let them be in there for a minute because honestly I don't know what I'm doing, but I need to get the second one in. So I'm just gonna repeat that and get the second one. Do the same thing to this one. All right, got a few bees got out, but there's the second one and did the same thing. I got the bee, the queen. Oh, you can already see her. And I just kind of put a little stick just to help that get up there. I'll come back in a couple days and take her out of there. All right, I'm gonna brave this one with no glove on, but you can see I dumped them all in there. New home. They're making some noise. This one is actually working its way down in there, and that's the second one. So I'm going to try to get some more bees out of both of these and put some patties on the side right quick while it's like that, and I'm gonna seal them up and be done. I don't know, never done this before, but I did watch a couple YouTube videos and talk to my dude, so hey, be up. Bam. All right, I'm gonna put the spares on the side, just let them chill out right there, and I got a patty up there. They're in there, they're sounding pretty happy right now. Got a little opening there for them. This one I didn't have one, but I'll fix it, get them a different one. This one's sounding pretty happy too. All right, that's my backup, but there it is. There's a few of them still in here. They didn't get out, but I'm gonna leave them here and just see if they go in. If they do, they do. If they don't, they don't. These ones are a little bit more doing the same thing, but they're really smart and they really can smell really well. So I'm assuming they're gonna get the scent of the queen bee and they're gonna go in. So that's a wrap. They're in. Back to being a beekeeper again. So stay tuned for some honey. Later. Oh, I probably should have removed these. They are flying all over the place. All right, we'll remove them tonight. Pretty active though. A lot of noise going on, so sounds like to me they are happy, happy, happy.